Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the JW Speaker Model 6145 J2 Series LED fog lights for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The J2 Series LED fog light features a high-quality, American-made, DOT-approved replacement LED fog light that complements perfectly the rest of the J2 series of lights from JW Speaker, including the headlights and replacement LED turn signals. Now, the light has been designed as a plug-and-play, easy install that bolts right into your Jeep's factory original plastic style bumper without any modifications required. Now, it's worth noting that if you happen to have an aftermarket style bumper on your Wrangler or the 10th anniversary style stamped steel type front bumper from the factory on your Wrangler, there will be some slight modifications you'll need to make to the mounting bracket, and you may require some additional hardware to get them installed. Now, the light has been designed to be a plug-and-play type installation, so it comes with a standard connector as well as the additional plug-and-play jumper harness here that will plug straight into your vehicle's factory fog light wiring without any modifications required. And because it's been designed exclusively for the Wrangler, well, it features a built-in anti-flicker device, so you're not going to worry about any type of LED flickering with these fog lights in your Jeep. Now, available in two different configurations here. We have the all-new hydro-dipped carbon fiber pattern here, or the black bezel style installed in our bumper. Both of them feature the red JW Speaker logo, and they utilize three D-shaped projectors here that will illuminate the road surface directly in front of and to the side of your Wrangler for better visibility, especially during any inclement weather or poor visibility conditions. Now, if you guys want to get more information about the 6145 J2 series replacement LED fog lights or any of the other J2 series of lights, you can click on those info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the J2 series lights, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen in front of you. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.